Except one's own wife, one is supposed to treat every other woman as a mother. Chanakya says this. Chanakya says there are three things that makes the human being civilized. Matravat paradareshu paradravyeshu loshtravat atmavat sarva bhuteshu yah pashyati sa panditaha. He says, who is a learned person? Three things he says. Is the mic coming? Working? Yeah. He's saying three things. First thing he says, Matravat paradareshu. Another man's wife should be seen as a mother. He says. Of course, you have another type of relation with your own wife. But with mother, another woman, you always should treat her as a mother. For example, in India, if a woman is married, she puts a kumkum here. That is like a kind of indication that I am already married. Even if a woman looks extraordinarily beautiful, if a man sees that she is wearing a kumkum, immediately he will refrain from thinking anything bad about her when he sees her. He knows this is another man's wife. I should treat her as a mother. So that is the standard. And this kind of culture and civilization allows every man to live with his wife peacefully. Correct, no? Like once you are married, you put a kumkum on your wife's head, then another man will not try to indulge with her or involve with her. So every family is a small unit where they can have affection for each other and mother, father. Family means husband, wife, children, and the husband's mother and father. This is like one unit. They can live within the family and nobody will interfere with the family unnecessarily. Nowadays they show in TV some serials where a man is already married to a woman and another woman comes in between and she is calling the man, come here. And the man is looking on different sides, to one side to wife and one side with another woman. And these kind of things are coming up. Why? Because slowly, due to the erosion of culture, the respect for women is reducing. Sometimes it appears to us that in the Vedic times women were exploited or downplayed or subdued. But if you see actually, in our temple we have procession, the Vedic procession. The first team of people who go are the women. 12 unmarried young girls, they carry the kalash on their head. They walk ahead. Behind them, like we all go, we chant the Vedic mantras, we chant. And behind you will find, when the king's procession goes, the horses, the elephants, and then the king comes in a chariot. So the women were given that degree of respect. They were actually, the unmarried girls were given that type of respect to walk. Similarly, in Vedic times, how many of you know that a woman is allowed to choose her husband according to her liking? You all know that, yeah? Generally, we may think it is only for the royal girls. Swayamvara, we say, no? Sita had Swayamvar, Draupadi had Swayamvar. But not only royal girls had that opportunity. Every girl was allowed to choose a boy, but she was not allowed to freely mix with the boy. That was not allowed. But she was allowed to choose a boy. After choosing, whom will she tell? She will feel very shy to tell her father. She will tell her grandmother, father's mother. And the grandmother will say, okay, let me see. So she may see the horoscope match and everything. But why they would see horoscope match? If the girl is Devagan, boy also should be Devagan. If the boy is Asuragan, and the girl is Devagan, then the boy will exploit her. Therefore, they will see the match. Once that old lady sees match is good, she will call her son and say, hey, my son, I have seen a good boy for your girl. And the son will not know what exactly happened. And the son will think, oh, my mother has seen a boy. And then the marriage will happen. Only the granddaughter knows, grandmother knows. The marriage happens. In this way, choosing a boy was allowed. It is not that the girls are forced to marry somebody whom they did not like. Maybe some exploitative family might have done that. But I am telling you the general rule. And there are innumerable evidences for what I am saying. So Chanakya says that one should treat every woman other than one's wife as a mother. That type of respect was given in the Vedic time.